Our Masters in Accounting and Finance, taught at our Marylebone campus, will equip you with the skills and expertise to succeed in today's fast-paced financial world. You will develop a strong understanding of accounting and financial principles, alongside the analytical and decision-making skills valued by employers across industries. Through access to our Bloomberg Financial Market Suites, you will gain hands-on experience using real-world financial data and tools used by leading global institutions. The course also offers ACCA and CIMA exemptions upon completion, providing a fast-track route to professional qualification. There is also the opportunity to undertake an internship, applying your knowledge in a professional setting and building valuable industry connections. You will benefit from dedicated career support through Zone 29, our home of careers and enterprise, helping you prepare for life after graduation. This course will prepare you for roles such as financial analyst, management accountant, auditors, investment associate, and finance manager. Graduates have gone on to work for leading organizations including Deloitte, Amazon, PwC, the FCA, and the London Stock Exchange.